Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a marketing tool using AI bots that will help you build your social media following and thereby increase your affiliate sales from your affiliate links that you may have attached to your social media accounts that you're trying to do. This will help you dramatically increase your sales as well as increase your following and driving more traffic to any affiliate products or whatever products that you're trying to sell. Alrighty, well guys, I'm real excited to show this to you. Let's go on ahead and get started in on this right now. These AI bot tools are very, very good, I believe, and they should be able to help you dramatically increase everything about your social media, including your sales. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started on it here right now. We're going to go right over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Ninja Pinner. You see it right here. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's ninjapinner.com. You see it right there. And guys, this site, as you can see right here, is the #1 Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and Tumblr marketing bots that you can use to set up one time and forget it and go to make money while you're sleeping through your affiliate links, and or whether you're traveling or whatever you're doing. It's this site and these bots will save you an incredible amount of marketing time and increase your following and your sales. All right, so let's take a good look into this. Is grow your social profile without the grunt work. And you can see right here is choose your social network. Our software includes Ninja Pinner, which is for Pinterest bot, Ninjagram for Instagram bot, Ninja Talk, TikTok bot, and Tumblr bot that you can use. And it says right here, here's what our software will do for you. Now guys, first of all, I want to tell you right at the straight outset here, I am not an affiliate for this particular site or company, and there is no financial interest in this for me at all. I just saw this amazing tool and I figured that it will help you to increase your sales, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so to get that out of the way right now, there's no affiliate links in this for me at all here. So what we're going to do is talks about what this software will do for you. It'll get you thousands of followers quickly on virtual autopilot, guys. Make you one of the most popular figures in your industry or niche, and gain you an avalanche of qualified website traffic, recognition, and exposure. Dramatically increase your product sales and profits. Just like I was telling you guys, it should help you to increase your sales to your affiliate products or whatever products you're trying to sell on your social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and so on. And then create an overwhelming presence on the most popular social networks, which boosts your social proof and credibility and saves you countless hours of time, since our software automates everything for you guys. And you can get started. Now they have a 7-day free trial here, guys, that you can get started with this. And if you like it, there's no credit card required for the trial. And if you like it, from there it's $28 per year, guys. I mean, look at that. That's not real expensive. $28 per year, guys. What is that? How many cents per day is that? Not very much at all, guys. It's really cheap, and you can have that product and that bot working for you for a whole year, and it's $28 per year, renewable on the year. And it comes down, there's plenty of testimonies about this, guys, and they have some blog posts down at about here as well. So for instance, if we come here and we click on, for example, I wanted to point out to you the TikTok bot today, guys, because TikBot here, the TikTok bot is probably the one that will help you, because TikTok is the most, well, right now I would say it's the most popular social media platform in the world right now, and it is growing exponentially. I mean, I think I heard the other day there were over 500 million people right now on TikTok, and it just continues to grow and grow and grow, guys. So let's take a look at this product right here, the Ninja Talk bot here. I mean, you guys can check out any of these other ones for Instagram and whatnot, but I'm going to point out the TikTok bot for you here. It talks about what makes Ninja Talk so special, guys. It's got auto follow, auto unfollow, auto like, a super like feature, targeting filters, monitoring, auto schedule your uploads, and track your usage and growth, and targeting options, multiple simultaneous actions, and account protection, proxy support, blacklist and whitelist, import-export IDs, top-notch support, and multiple accounts. And then many more powerful options that are built right in to the TikTok Ninja Bot. All right, and we can see some screenshots here. If we come down here to the Ninja Talk screenshots here, guys, and you can see it says we regularly add new functionality to Ninja Talk. It says please download the trial to see all the features. So this is downloadable software that you will work right on your computer, right on the internet, affecting your social media accounts, guys. So it's a software that you download here. You can track your bot activity and account growth here, as you can see. Right here, guys, you can keep track of how many followers you're getting, how much your account is growing, how fast it's growing over days and weeks and months here, guys, on your accounts, whatever it's TikTok or if it's Instagram or whatever. Same thing. And then here's a little like menu here. It'll help you choose your action. So you can auto follow, auto unfollow, and so on, and set the parameters for it right here. And the same thing down through here, auto like. It shows you can set all these parameters and even schedule your uploads, and then set it and let it rock and roll all day long and all night long while you're sleeping, and building your accounts up with following and exponentially increasing sales to your affiliate link. Like on TikTok, if you have an affiliate product and you have your affiliate link on your TikTok account, that will increase your traffic to your affiliate links, guys, thereby bringing you more sales and more money into your life, right? That's what we're trying to do here to show you with these particular tools, guys. These are great marketing tools, I believe, that will really help you here, and you can get started for sure with a free trial on this as well. And we can see the pricing here, guys. So come over here and I click on the pricing and come down here. It says Ninja Pinner for Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. They're all $28 for a 1-year license and one account. And like, for example, for TikTok, it's the same thing. If you have up to 5 TikTok accounts, guys, it's $40 a year for that. And then in unlimited TikTok accounts, it's just $100 for the whole year. And you can have as many TikTok accounts building up with these bots for you, building up your account for you all the time, guys. And then you can also upgrade. You can have a bundle pricing and so on and so forth, guys. These products and some of these other screenshots for, like, let's look at the one for Ninja Pinner here for Pinterest. And you can see the same thing. You have the same tools here. It'll help you increase your following and increase your viewership on your affiliate products and things like that, guys. And you can auto follow and unfollow here, and auto comment even on your pins for you. And guys, this will just grow your account. These tools will grow your account in whatever social media of the 4 social medias that you've seen. And you can download these with a 7-day free trial, and then just pay the $28 for the one account, unless you have other accounts that you like, for 1 year. That's a really good price, guys, I think, for these tools to be used to help you grow your account while you're sleeping and while you're out doing whatever you like to do with this, guys. Guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, guys. These amazing tools called ninjapinner.com here, and these amazing tools for these your social media accounts right here, and they can grow your accounts rapidly and quickly, and thereby increasing your sales for your affiliate products or whatever. Maybe you're selling hardware products or any products like that. This will help you gain more sales, guys. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. I wanted to share this incredible marketing tool of these AI, artificial intelligence bot software, guys, and it should help you greatly to increase your affiliate sales. Alrighty, guys. Guys, if you like that video, reach down there, give me a thumbs up. Also, if this was your first time to my videos and you have not yet subscribed to the account, well, reach down there below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell right beside it so that you get notified when I upload cool videos like this that have marketing tools and or ways to help you make money online. All right, guys. Also, if you just have any comments about this video, just leave them down below there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to watch my free video presentation by clicking the link down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and come through and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, possibly making thousands of dollars in one day's time, guys. So I'm going to leave you with that. Guys, I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye, man.